Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X7 versus Ford Everest. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The BMW X7 boasts robust engine choices, including a 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-six and a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 5.6 seconds. The Ford Everest typically offers a 2.0-liter biturbo diesel with 207 horsepower or a 3.0-liter V6 diesel with 247 horsepower, focusing on strong torque and expected good fuel efficiency. Moving inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology. The BMW X7 offers a lavish interior with seating for 6 or 7, featuring a large curved display with a 14.9-inch central screen and wireless smartphone integration. Cargo space is generous, up to 94 cubic feet with rear seats folded. The Ford Everest provides a practical cabin for 5 or 7 passengers, with an available 12-inch sink for a touchscreen and up to 64 cubic feet of cargo volume, emphasizing rugged elegance and modern connectivity. Safety is paramount in both vehicles. The BMW X7 comes standard with forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, plus a 360-degree camera system. Its starting price is around $85,475. The Ford Everest features 9 airbags, pre-collision assist, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control. While its pricing varies by market, it generally offers a strong value proposition for its robust capabilities and extensive safety suite, making it a compelling choice for adventurous families. When it comes to the driving experience, the BMW X7 offers surprisingly agile handling for its size, coupled with a very smooth ride thanks to its adaptive air suspension. It feels refined and powerful on the road. The Ford Everest, built on a ladder frame chassis, excels in rugged terrain with its advanced four-wheel drive system, yet maintains a comfortable and stable ride on paved roads. Both SUVs cater to different priorities, luxury versus rugged utility. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.